Hey, I've got this guitar right here that currently just sits around in this case, but I want to have it set up like this Washburn back here on this Gleam guitar stand, and I wanted to try a new guitar stand. That's why I got this folding A-frame right here. I'm going to show you how to set it up, and then we'll check it out and see how it looks with my guitar over here, because then I'll have two guitars over here. So here we go. So it actually comes out of the box in one piece right here, just a little bit of extra packaging. And I bet I can figure out how to open this up all by myself. I'm just gonna press down on this button right here and watch this piece move, which will allow me to open and close on this hinge here. And it will have three different sizes that you can set it in terms of its angle there, as opposed to all the way closed right there. So let's open this up, pull down on the angled legs here till that closes into place. Same thing on the other side. And then we can set it down for the guitar. And you can see it has these solid rubber grips for feet. Its texture is going to keep it from slipping around. And it has one of those on each one of its feet here. And then where the guitar makes contact, we have this nice soft material here that'll keep the body safe. And up top here, a supportive backrest that's also very soft. And this whole thing feels like it's really made of high quality material, thick, hard metal, as well as strong plastics through here. So let's set it down next to its counterpart here and place my Fender Squire right up in there. So I think this has added very nicely to the decoration of this place. It's a sturdy and useful guitar stand, but I also like how easy it was to set up. It was probably the easiest thing I've ever set up in the history of all time. That's why it didn't come with any directions. That's why I didn't have to teach you anything. It's just click, snap, open, twist, and it's ready to go. So I like it. I think it's even better than what I expected given its ease of assembly. So check it out if you're looking for something that looks good, stands strong, and is super easy to put together.